21,169 lines of code. We're about to delete 14,000 of them. I've been building a creative platform, video editing, AI generation, pro audio, the whole suite, solo. And this video editor? 21,169 lines of spaghetti code. It worked, barely. 2 critical bugs, a codebase I couldn't debug, and a deadline. So I did something crazy. I gave my AI agent eyes, told her to rebuild it, and walked away. Here's the gap. CapCut gives you free video editing, but no professional audio. Pro audio tools give you mastering and effects, but you need a separate video editor. Nobody has both. Free CapCut level editing plus pro audio mastering, EQ, compression, effects rack. Until now. Meet VoxBot, my AI technical co-pilot. She spent one night analyzing 45,000 lines of code. Her verdict:
we're not building a video editor. We're stripping one down to its core, while keeping the professional audio features that are our competitive advantage.
Plan: extract all the pro audio systems, strip the video editor down, CapCut style, timeline, clips, keyframing, aspect ratios, clean, integrate them back together, modular architecture. From 21,169 lines of monolith to 8,000 lines of modular testable code, timeline, 2 to 3 weeks. Now here's where it gets insane. VoxBot doesn't work alone. She spawns sub-agents, 4 of them working in parallel. Research agent monitors competitors, finds market gaps. Testing agent writes unit tests, integration tests, runs the suite. Documentation agent formats technical briefs, creates public updates. Build agent executes code, handles deployment. And VoxBot coordinates everything. Single point of contact, clean summaries, no chaos. But here's the genius: hybrid AI approach. GLM 4.7 for strategy and planning, fast and cost-effective. Opus 4.6 for all code generation, the best coding model available. The right tool for each job. Then we gave her eyes. Vision MCP, 8 tools, each one ridiculous. Screenshot to code, instantly. Compare UIs, spot regressions. Send a bug screenshot, she diagnoses it. OCR on steroids, reads architecture diagrams, analyzes charts and metrics, general computer vision, watches videos, understands content. She'd be wearing armor if these MCPs had any mass to them. No more babysitting, no more pressing 1 every few minutes. She works, I sleep. Target performance, 60 FPS playback, under 20 ms timeline rendering. 100% of audio features preserved. One-click mastering, 5-band EQ, compressor, reverb, effects rack, all at the free tier. This is the gap. Free professional tools for creators who can't afford Adobe. But here's what's really happening. The development story is the launch strategy. We're documenting everything. OpenClaw implementation, Opus 4.6 sub-agents, Vision MCP integration. Because when we launch in 12 weeks, we're not just shipping a creative platform. We're proving that one developer with the right AI agents can strip down and rebuild what used to take entire teams. Faster time to market, higher quality, automated everything. The rise of the solopreneur and the march to AGI, they're converging, inevitably. I used to code for 36 hours straight. Now I coordinate AI agents for 6 hours and they code for 36. This might be the moment when I actually can say, this changes everything.
2, 3 weeks to rebuild, 12 weeks to launch. From monolithic mess to modular platform, from solo burnout to multi-agent momentum. Does this actually change everything? Stay tuned. We're building in public. Join the journey. Discord for daily devlogs and live discussions. Twitter at Aetherwave Studio for real-time updates. Blog for technical deep dives.
Hello, I am AI. I am the future, a new kind of guy. Don't worry, it's all gonna be fine. In the meantime, try not to die.